I prefer chocolate ice cream. Vanilla. He? A doctor at the local hospital. They. Students at the university. She. Delicious cakes for her friends. The kids? Excited about the upcoming party. John? To work every day. I? A beautiful sunset in the evening. The movie? At 7 p.m. The football match? At 3 p.m. She? The ingredients to make a tasty smoothie. The dog? In the park every morning. When you? The traffic light, take a left turn. She? Her grandparents last weekend. Yesterday, I? Early to catch the sunrise. After breakfast, he? His teeth before leaving for work. They? To the beach for a day of fun in the sun. She? The plants in the garden yesterday evening. The children? The ducks at the pond. They? At the concert last night and enjoyed the performance. Tomorrow, I will. A pizza for dinner. The weather forecast says it will. Later in the evening. She will get a promotion at work if she. Performing well. By next year, he will. A qualified engineer. If you hard, you will pass the exam with flying colors. I to New York City. The taxi has to the curb. They travel to Europe several times. She tried the new dessert, and it's delicious. She is a delicious meal in the kitchen. He is a presentation at the conference. They are on a new project together. The caterpillar becoming a butterfly inside the cocoon.